5 more minutes. Okay, I'm awake. Stop shouting at me. Sorry, buddy. I smell donuts. Wait, I don't have donuts. Did someone break in to cook donuts? If thief brings food, I'm okay with it. You traitor! You ate without me!
I bought only for myself.
That's a crime! Call the police!
Police will arrest you for being dramatic.
Give me one donut.
No.
Half?
No.
One bite?
Fine, one tiny bite. Sam, I said tiny.
My mouth is tiny. Donut is big. I want more donuts.
Then go buy them.
I'm broke.
When are you not broke? Let's do one thing.
I'm listening. My ears are open like Wi-Fi antenna.
We will bake donuts at home.
Great! I will eat, you bake.
No, both will work.
Can I just stand and look cute?
Cute? Where? Show me.
Rude.
We need flour.
Done.
Sugar.
Done.
Butter.
Done.
Eggs.
Where are eggs?
You ate them yesterday.
Oh, yes. Omelet day.
Now we need to go to store.
Walk? In sunlight? I'm too young to melt. Vroom! Out of my way!
Stop behaving like a 5-year-old.
I'm not 5. I'm 7 inside. Look! Donuts! Save me, Lily! I'm in love!
We came only for eggs.
But donuts are talking to me.
What are they saying?
They said, "Eat us, Sam."
You need help.
Yes. Help me put donuts in trolley. Total is $10. Okay. Sir?
I'll pay before he offers you the fly for free.
Good deal, though.
Perfect. Let's get baking.
Finally, donuts. No, my love!
Rest in peace, donuts.
They died young.
Relax. We still have ingredients.
Let's bake new donuts. Snow inside house.
This is flour, not snow.
We can create winter movie.
Focus.
Okay, boss.
Sam, batter on my face.
Free face mask.
Not funny.
Little funny?
Fine. Little funny. Let's make a soft, smooth dough for the donuts.
Yes, knead it well.
It's getting there. Keep going. Let's shape the dough now.
Like this. Slowly.
Perfect. Keep going.
These look perfect.
Almost ready. Let's cool them down. Donuts smell amazing.
They look beautiful.
Don't cry. Okay.
Donuts are ready to eat. Heaven!
Worth the chaos?
Absolutely.
Next time you buy ingredients,
Next time I will run away.